Hello friend, today we learn about the sheet. If I want to do a new sheet, if I want to duplicate the sheet or rename the sheet, if I want to delete the sheet, if I want hide, or if I want moving the sheet. Okay, so let's start. If I want to do a new sheet, I have a little sign plus, if you can see, on the bottom, and then I press on it and then open me a new sheet. Okay, let's continue. If I want to duplicate my sheet, I press on the click right on the sheet and I have move or copy, and then open me a little box and I have my sheet, and then create a copy on the text here, and then I press on OK. And now, if you can see, I have more sheet like this. Next, rename a sheet. If I press on the right on the mouse and then I press on rename, now I can call it good, if you can see. And next, if I want to duplicate for a new workbook, so I press on the key and then I have move or copy. But if you can see, last I take the SH from here and create a copy, but now I want a new worksheet, and here I take a new book and then I press on OK. Now I have a new worksheet, book 2, with the sheet. Next, if I want to delete the sheet, I press on the right mouse and then delete. Let's do one more. I press on the right and then I press on delete. Next, if I want hide the sheet, like here I have the 2, but if I press on the right on the mouse and then I have the hide. And now if you can see, I don't see the sheet, but if I press here I have the unhide option, and then I press OK, and now I have the sheet. Next, if I want moving the sheet, like here I want will be the second, I take here and here it's moving. Okay, I take the sheet and I move it. Now I have a little option like a tab color if I want it blue, orange, yellow. What can you see? Okay guys, please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.